Here we have a 2025 Ram Rebel with the 3.0 Hurricane motor. We just put some nice double wall black tips on the back. The 5-inch comes from the factory with like a 4.5, just a little more open tip. Helps the exhaust sound off a little better on these V6s. Gives a little more rumble. Let's put a Flowmaster Super 10, dual in, dual out. It's all 3-inch. Comes right off the front. The factory pipes are just adapted right in there. Done a bunch of them like this, gives it a pretty good rumble. Customer doesn't want to wake up the dead, so the straight pipe options doesn't sound too good on these, but the Flowmaster deepens it up, gives it a nice tone to it. So let's see what it sounds like. Oh yeah, definitely woke it up. Of course, in the cold here, it got a little more condensation coming out. That little smoke is just condensation, but that burns off. Definitely sounds pretty good, so should make the customer happy there.